Well, the atmosphere is definitely building up in Ahmedabad. People have started pouring in large numbers in Ahmedabad for that big final that is going to take place at 7:30 p.m. tonight. In fact, I also have my colleagues Deepak Bopanna, who's joining us from Bengaluru. I also have Gurpreet Singh Chinna, who's there in Punjab. It is Punjab versus Bengaluru. Deepak, let me come across to you first. What is the atmosphere like? What are the fans saying? And I'm pretty sure everyone has only one name on their, they're wearing one name on their sleeves, and that is Virat Kohli.
Well, absolutely. It's been a wait of nearly 2 decades for the Royal Challengers Bengaluru, and whether the wait ends tonight for either the Royal Challengers or the Punjab, Super Kings, you never know. But as far as the excitement on the ground, that is definitely high. I'm here at KIOC, and let's speak to some of the students. Are you all excited for the game today?
Yeah!
I can't hear you all. So which team are you all supporting?
RCB! RCB!
I can't hear you all. Yeah, which team are you all supporting?
RCB! RCB!
Well, there you go. All of them, of course, definitely excited. And tell us today, what is the difference between the RCB that we've been seeing all of these years and the RCB that's playing the finals today?
This year they've got a good team in the auction, and they performed very well in all the matches, even though they lost. They got a good net run rate. They came to top 2, won the qualifiers one, and finally a dream came true to finals.
Well, you've seen multiple players come out of here, play for RCB, play for Team India. Today, having these, young kids, and today looking at, RCB in the finals, more than anything else, for young kids like this, it's an inspiration, isn't it? When you have their team, represent the big tournament like this in the finals.
Undoubtedly, yes, it is. And if RCB wins today, not if, but when RCB wins tonight, there's going to be a great celebration. We're waiting for this inspiration and motivation for almost 18 years. Number 18 goes very well with Virat Kohli, and number 18 is the year. And hopefully tonight we are going to put it across, and there's going to be celebration. Maybe Karnataka government should declare a holiday tomorrow to celebrate.
Well, these kind of requests have already come in. Let's, of course, hope that the RCB, if they do win the trophy, and then all of these requests will be considered. I want to come to you as well. While the men's team of the RCB hasn't won the IPL trophy, the women's team, of course, in the inaugural, tournament itself managed to win. Has that inspired you to come out and play cricket?
No.
Then you wanted to play cricket before that? Yes. Well, and how about you guys? Do you think today who's going to play well for RCB?
Virat Kohli, Phil Salt, Rajat Patidar.
Wow, 3 of them. Anybody else? What? And I believe that you are a fan of Punjab here among all of this lot.
Yeah.
Why do you like Punjab?
It's not like I like Punjab, I like any team which plays against RCB.
Why you don't like RCB?
No.
Well, he doesn't like RCB. Is he safe here?
No!
Well, there you have it. All of them, of course, here pretty excited. But there's one Punjab fan, and he's pretty brave, standing amidst all of the RCB supporters. Well, tell me today, the RCB bowling has always come under fire, that they're not probably up to the mark. This time, with the likes of Josh Hazelwood, Bhuvaneshwar, Suyash, do you feel that this time the bowling, is really better and probably of a winning, side?
Yes, this time the bowling has been better, and the RCB fans are quite excited about the performance of Josh Hazelwood, which has been a leading wicket taker in the IPL. So I hope that Josh Hazelwood
will change everything for the RCB.
Yes.
What about you? Now, you've been playing cricket for several years. What do you think is the biggest difference in this year's RCB team?
सर कोहली सर
Kohli.
कोहली
और वो जिताएगा हमें इस बार?
सर डेसलोटो कोहली सर और इब्रे ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್
Okay, well, he's saying that Kohli, of course, is going to be the big difference maker. What do you think? Are you an RCB fan?
Yes.
And today, do you think RCB is going to win?
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. That's the name, number 18. This is, of course, 18 years later that RCB comes back to the finals. 2016, of course, was a heartbreak. Everything was set for a grand celebration at Jinnaswamy. Towards the end, it seemed like RCB choked, but this time they've played a great tournament. Through the entire course of, the tournament, they've been really good. They've topped the table, and now it's their chance to really come out victorious. They've already defeated Punjab once in the playoffs. Can they do it once again? That's the biggest question. So let me take it across once again. So what do you all think? Can they really do it tonight?
Yes!
Can I hear some chants for RCB?
RCB! 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 RCB!
Well, as you see, the excitement definitely is quite higher. Whether the team will be able to live up to these expectations and assure that E-Sala Cup Namdo, that's the big question that comes up.
Absolutely. And Deepak, you have been asking so many questions to these kids. I want to understand from you, who are you supporting today?
Well, undoubtedly, it's going to be RCB. I am from Bengaluru, and RCB, of course, has been at the core of everything for people from Bengaluru, and of course, we'll be rooting for the men in red.
Lovely. Let me also go across to Gurpreet Singh Chinna, who's joining us from Chandigarh in Punjab. Gurpreet, how's it like there?
Well, we have seen that there is a huge excitement among the fans here, and they are also having a great hope on their cricketers. But we belong to Punjab. These Punjabis, they are hopeful. Punjab team will be doing much better, and this time they are going to be win this match. So we will talk to them to just understand their sentiments also. तो क्या लग रहा है कि आज पंजाब टीम अच्छा करने वाली है?
हम होप करेंगे कि इस आज के मैच में पंजाब पहले बैटिंग करे, लंबा टारगेट सेट करे, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स फाइनल है, प्रेशर आरसीबी पे भी होगा, पंजाब पे भी होगा, और बड़ा टारगेट बैटिंग लेके सेट करेंगे तो होपफुली पंजाब मैच जीतेगा।
आपको क्या लग रहा है कि बैटिंग करनी चाहिए, बॉलिंग करनी चाहिए? क्योंकि लगातार ये कहा जा रहा है कि जो पहले बॉलिंग करते हैं उनकी परफॉर्मेंस बेटर होती है।
नहीं, बैटिंग भी करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि बैटिंग ऑर्डर बहुत लंबा है पंजाब का। एंड तक 7-8 डाउन तक सारे अच्छे बैट्समैन हैं जो टिक जाते हैं हमेशा।
तो कौन से क्रिकेटर्स को आपको लगता है कि आज बेटर परफॉर्म करेंगे तो मैच की परफॉर्मेंस और भी बेटर रहेगी?
नहीं, श्रेयस अय्यर ने लास्ट मैच में अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस की और मैच जिताया, तो होपफुली वही अच्छी करेंगे और मैच जीत सकते हैं अगर वो अच्छी करेंगे तो
आपको क्या लग रहा है कि आज क्या होने वाला है, मैच का कैसे रहेगा?
सर फाइनल है, ऑब्वियसली दोनों मैचों में प्रेशर तो सेम होगा, बट पंजाब जो है उस पर थोड़ा प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा क्योंकि लास्ट मैच काफ़ी कोलैप्स हो गई थी पूरी टीम, तो आरसीबी का थोड़ा अपर हैंड ज़्यादा है पंजाब पे इस टाइम, तो प्रेशर तो बट दोनों पे ही सेम रहेगा।
प्रेशर रहेगा। आपको क्या लग रहा है कैसे रहने वाला है मैच आज का?
मैच बहुत बढ़िया रहेगा, पर होप है कि पंजाब ही जीतेगी।
पंजाब ही जीतेगा। तो यहाँ पे कुछ बडिंग क्रिकेटर्स हैं जो आरसीबी को भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, विराट कोहली को खास करके सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो क्या लग रहा है आज कैसा रहेगा मैच?
जी मैच तो कांटे का रहेगा। दोनों टीम अच्छा परफॉर्म करके आई है अपने पिछले मैचेस में, और साथ में ही जैसे विराट ने पहले रन नहीं किए थे पिछले मैच पे पंजाब के खिलाफ, तो वो अपनी इनिंग्स को आज बिल्ड करने की कोशिश करेगा और अपने टीम को एक लंबे टारगेट के लिए सेट करेगा।
और यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि ज़्यादातर लोग पंजाब टीम को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, अब आरसीबी को क्यों कर रहे हैं?
सर लॉयल है, अब 18 साल से ट्रॉफी नहीं आई।
तो आप भी आरसीबी को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं?
जी सर।
तो क्या लग रहा है कि आज आरसीबी पंजाब से बेटर करने वाला है?
हाँ जी, मुझे लग रहा है कि अहमदाबाद में पहले टॉस जीतकर पहले बॉलिंग लेनी चाहिए, और जॉश हेजलवुड फॉर्म में है, विराट कोहली और फिल सॉल्ट भी अच्छा कर सकते हैं।
तो आप आरसीबी को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं?
आरसीबी विराट है और जे7 बॉल ये सब बढ़िया खेलेंगे, और बॉलर स्पिनर्स हैं उनके पास, इसके लिए पहले उन्हें बॉलिंग लेनी चाहिए और वो जीतेंगे।
Very few people, very few budding cricketers, they are supporting RCB, but most of them they are supporting Punjab team. How you are going to cheer up your team?
पंजाबी आ गए ओए, पंजाबी आ गए ओए।
So well, we can see their sentiments. They are very excited and they are having high hopes on Punjab team. Back to studio.
Lovely. In fact, Deepak, who's still there with us, Deepak, the Punjabis have a message for you. They say, Punjabi aa gaye hoye.
Well, I'm going to take that message across to the fans here, the little ones, and let's see what they have to say. You know, from Punjab, the message is, Punjabi in the house, what do you all have to say? Couldn't hear you all, I think. Once again? Well, I think that surely echoed in Punjab. E-Sala Cup Namde is the message from here.
Lovely. Thank you, Deepak and Gurpreet Singh Chinna. Thank you very much.